Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to create another exciting mixed media art. I'm using the old page which I used before to wipe off the used stencil. This is white gesso. I'm just adding water in this to make it little thin and to cover the entire surface. Soft colors in this mixed media art, and I'm gonna use light to dark colors. So I'm going to use yellow, pink, orange and turquoise. Blending is very important, as in my previous videos also I showed you that for blending the acrylic paints it's very important to constantly add water or go a little faster, because acrylic paints dried very fast. I'm also going to use little bit dry brush technique. After drying the page with heat gun, I'm going to use distress ink for the second layer, stencil with distress ink. I'm gonna use the next layer with these elements, and I painted these circles on the separate paper using my watercolors. These green butterflies, I bought them online, ready-made, so I did not have to cut them out. Finally, I'm going to use matte medium to stick all of these elements on the page. gesso to repainted these butterflies. Not actually repainted, I'm just adding little softer tone of green to match with the background. Time for adding the today's date. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.